From here, gently bend both of the knees. Alright? From here, with the right hand, hold the right foot or the right ankle, whatever is accessible to you. With the left hand, hold the left ankle or the foot. We're going to Dhanurasana or bow pose. So ready? As you inhale, lift up the thighs, lift up the chest. Hold it here, squeeze the thighs if possible. Staying here for 4. Trying to go higher for 3. Squeezing the knees together for 2. And for 1. With control, slowly coming back down. Releasing the feet from your hands. Take a moment here, catch your breath if you've lost it. From here, slowly walk your hands to the front of the mat, shifting your weight. And just allow your hips to rest onto the mat. Allow your toes to relax. And allow your hips also to relax down into the floor. If this is a bit hard and it's straining your back, gently just bend your elbows so that your hip is comfortable on the floor. From here, gently look up to the ceiling, roll the shoulders back, going into your cobra pose. You'll almost feel the stretch right from your chin all the way down to the pelvic region, especially on the belly. Stretching it out and staying here for another 3. Remembering to breathe. For 2. Last little breath here. And for 1. Slowly bring your head back and gently bend your elbows. From here, slowly look towards your right heel, almost like you want to spot your toes. And then you'll feel this nice stretch on the left side of the body. Stay here for a few counts. Good. And slowly come back to center and move into the opposite side. So bending your left elbow, look to the left heel. And if that's easy, you can even look towards the left thigh. Stretching the entire right side of the body. Staying here for 2. And for 1. And slowly coming back to center, straightening the elbows, looking up to the ceiling. And then gently bringing your chest down to the earth. You can adjust so that you're at the center of the mat. Take a minute here to just lie down, catch your breath if you've lost it.